Imagine you jump straight into Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. What would really happen to you? At first, it feels almost normal. You're falling through thick white clouds made of hydrogen and helium. But within just 500 meters, the temperature starts to rise quickly. The air gets heavier, hotter, and you start to wonder, how long can I survive? If somehow you make it down to about 10 kilometers, the real nightmare begins. Here, you're hit by furious winds faster than 300 miles per hour. They slam you around in total darkness. You scream, but no one will ever hear it. And let's say, by some miracle, you survive that storm. By the time you reach 100 kilometers deep, the pressure becomes unbearable. It crushes your bones, squeezes your lungs, and you realize Jupiter itself is slowly crushing you. But if you could go even deeper, thousands of kilometers down, you'd see something almost unbelievable. A vast glowing ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen. It would shine like a sea of liquid metal, generating Jupiter's powerful magnetic field, a sight no human could ever live to witness. And finally, at the very heart of Jupiter lies a mysterious core. Some scientists believe it's solid, others think it's liquid. But one thing is certain, the heat and pressure there would destroy you instantly. So the truth is, if you jumped into Jupiter, you wouldn't survive more than a few minutes. It's beautiful from a distance, but inside it's one of the most dangerous places in the universe.